Hope you guys are doing well. Welcome back. So in this video I'm going to show you that how you can increase or decrease your volume of the video in your VN editor. So let's start. So first of all, what we have to do, as you can see, we have to open the VN editor and we need to drag the video into timeline. As you can see, I have already did it, and simply we need to click on the video, and after clicking on the video, as you can see, has the option for the volume. So we have to click on this audio icon. So let's click on this. After clicking on this, as you can see, has the option for the video volume. So we have to click on this volume. As you can see, if you want to increase the video volume, so we need to increase this. As you can see now, in the normal value is 100, and I'm going to increase this 180. If you want to make it more noise, or the way, if you want to increase the more audio volume, so you have to drag this and you can control this to till to 1000. So simply I'm going to keep this in 150 or 200. It's the normal rate. So I'm going to click on this, or if you play the video, as you can see, the video sound is increased. If you want to increase this again, you drag this here, and now let's play this again. As you can see, there's a huge difference for the video sound. So in this way you can do that. If you want to add the BGM volume, you can also do it. If you will click on the apply to all, the whole setting will be applied to all clips in the timeline. So in this way you can increase or decrease the video volume in your VN editor. I hope you guys understand this video, that how you can do this in a VN editor. So see you guys in the next video.